everyone. In the last class we have discussed about entity and entity sets. Today we are going to discuss about relationship and relationship sets. First we'll go for the definition. A relationship is an association among several entities. A relationship set is a set of relationships of the same type. So relationship will actually hold the association information between multiple entities. So let us suppose we are having one relationship or one table, say student, and we are having another table, say book. So let us go for the diagram first. See, we are having one table called student and another table called book. So these are the student entity set. This student entity will be forming one table. As yesterday we have discussed, like these are the entities. These age, roll number, student name and age are the entities or the attributes. All these attributes will create one entity. All entities are alike will form entity set. So this is student entity set. Same in the case of a book also. This is a book number, topic and the subject related to that. So these are the attributes. Three attributes we have in one entity. All entities are alike will form as entity set. This is book entity set. So there are three attributes in each entity, right? That is roll number, name and age. Here roll number is a primary in the student entity set. By using this roll number we can identify the student uniquely. So this is our student entity set and this is our book entity set. Here book number is a primary key. Here we can by using the book number we can identify the subject uniquely. So here in book set it is book number is a primary key, whereas in a student entity set roll number is the primary key. So here we can see the relationship between student and book. Particularly, particular student will take a book of particular book. Like student A took the book of B3, that is chemistry, and student 2 take the book of B6. Third student take book of B1. Fourth student take a book of B6. Means particular student to particular book. The relationship will be kept in a respective relationship. Now this mapping info has kept in issue, that is roll comma book number, like this. So this one issue will be having prime attribute of student, that is roll number, and prime attribute of book, that is book number. From student entity set we took the primary key, that is roll number. From book entity set we took the primary key, that is book number, right? Issue will be having primary attributes of both student and book. So that means all the attributes which is coming in the relationship will be attributes coming from the respective connected entities. Understood? Listen once again. All the attributes which is coming in the relationship will be attributes coming from the respected entities, right? So we can form a table like this, right? See, in issue we have roll number and book number, right? See, particular roll number 1 took a book number of 3. Roll number 1 took a book number of 3. Roll number 2 took a book number of 6. Roll number 3 took a book number of 1. And roll number 4 took a book number of 5. Like here 1 and B3 is one relationship. 2 and B6 is one relationship. 3 and B1 is another relationship. 4 and B5 are another relationship. Like this issue table will be formed. Now issue table formed, right? So like this issue table will be formed. All these relationships are alike in nature. So this we call it as relationship set. In the last video we have discussed, right? Alike entities called it as entity set. Alike entities called it as entity set in student. Alike entities are called it as entity set in book. So this is student entity set, this is book entity set. In the same way, alike relationships call it as relationship set. Alike relationships will form relationship set. Alike entities will form entity set. So a relationship is an association among several entities, right? A relationship is a set of relationships of the same type. Understood? So, how many relationships will get into relationship set? 2 or more than 2. And it is non-distinct. See, it is a mathematical relation on n greater than or equal to 2, possibly non-distinct entity set. Means that number of entities are 2 and those are non-distinct. And relationships can be binary, that is 2 entities can be connected to the relationship. Ternary, 3 are connected to the relationship. And n array means more than 2. N entities are connected to the relationships. So in this way we will form a relationships between the entities, several entities. So that is, relationship is an association among several entities. Alike relationships we call it as relationship set. It is a set of relationships of same type, right? Hope you understand this video. Yes, hope if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.